The reason why you've not started that YouTube channel is because you don't have a good mic, right? You don't have a good phone. Yes, your environment is very noisy. You don't have good background. That's why you've not started. And that's the reason why you will not learn. That's the reason why you will not go far. Because you must learn to start with what you have. Let me tell you something. There are negative situations that happens to several people and you will not be the only person. There are persons in your same condition, probably worse condition, and they have their content all over YouTube. The thing is, you've decided to be your mindset. Yes, while you are seeing your negative situation as a disadvantage, somebody is in that same negative situation and using that situation to their advantage. That's just the plain truth. So if you have an excuse right now why you've not started your channel, I tell you the truth, people have worse situation and their videos are everywhere. Now, this is why you shouldn't joke with what I'm saying. Your equipment, no matter what you have right now, will be obsolete in the next 5 years. Yes. Check out. When last did you see iPhone 5? It was the iPhone 5, iPhone 6. When last did you see iPhone 7? When last did you see iPhone 11? Because there are other newer version upgrades. You understand? So technology will always improve. Things will always advance. Start with what you have and see how you would grow. You will learn on the job. And at the end of the day, you'll be grateful. You will thank me later. If you want to follow me on this channel, do subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with a friend that is also giving excuses like you are. But I'm sure you're not going to give such an excuse again, because you'll start up your YouTube channel and post a video today. Yeah, tag me to your video and I'll be glad to watch there. Thank you. See you in my next video. Okay.